मैम क्या करना है?
Acha, first of all, we will complete Maths Ahead textbook page. Okay, so take your Maths Ahead textbook with you. That's it. And this class will be your GK class. And then afterwards, you have art and craft class. Yes, bacha, watch log.
कितना पेज निकालना है?
Page number 11 we have to complete. Let's everybody join and then we can start. Nobody will complete it by yourself. Wait for me. I will assist you how to do. चल बैठ. बैठ हमें आगे. Okay, chalo. Now we can start. So here, page number 11, right? What we have to do, we have done the sorting activity, right? We have sorted the shapes, we have sorted the things. So right now here, the question is about pick the things Anu wear. Okay, there is a girl, Anu, named Anu. Whatever she will wear, you have to put a right mark. Okay, you have to put a right mark. And cross the thing which she eats. Okay, the thing which is for eating, you have to put cross. The things which she is eating, you have to put cross, and the things she is wearing, you have to put a right tick mark. Okay, chalo. Now everybody.
What ma'am?
Sorry. What we have to do, we have to put a tick mark. हमको right mark करना है for the clothes, and for eating the things we have to put a cross. We have to put a cross. Okay. So let's start. The first one. The first one. What is that? Coat, right? She's wearing that. So what we will put? We will put a tick mark. Okay. Put a tick mark. Right tick mark. Like this. Okay, then next is a, what is that?
Page number. Ma'am, page number.
Page number 11. Next ahead book. It's a orange, right? So you will put a cross. Okay, like this. Then again, it's a scarf. So it's a wearing thing. Page number 11, Lakshya, in Maths Ahead book, we have to write right now. We have to complete that. Page number 11. Okay, this is the way you have to do. Now you have to do this line by yourself. I'm not going to help you. You have to complete this one by yourself. This one you will complete it by yourself. Done? Now,
Yes.
question number 2. About this question number 2. Okay, this one. What is written? There is a boy named Raj. We have to put a right tick mark for the things he can play, for the toys. The toys he can play with it. So put a right mark over there. For which thing he can play? Put a right mark over there. The things he can play with it. Yes, Hate, I can see Hate is done.
It is toy.
If you are okay, if you are completing this page, then send me the, yes, toy car. It's a toy car. If you have completed that page, keep your book aside. Then we can start with our today's class. If you have completed the page, close the book and keep it aside. The toy car, ball, and the racket, and the kite, he can play with it. Okay, he can't play with the bag and he can't play with the fruit. Okay, so over there he will not put a right mark. Chalo, now close the book and keep it aside. Khana, kiva feelings low, no energy. Okay, now okay, Adam, I can see you. Okay, now everybody keep the one who has completed, close the book and keep it aside. Chalo, now everyone mute your microphone. I want to say something. हाँ बच्चा, I'm not getting you. What क्या करना है? हाँ, kite में करना है बच्चा. Yes, kite में, car में, ball में, and the racket. You can do it. You can play with the kite.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which page number in maths head book?
Maths ahead book, page number 11. It is completed, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, he can complete it at home and then he can send me the picture. No issue.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Chalo. So now everyone, please mute your microphone. Araf, please mute your microphone. Okay. So in last class, we have learned about fruits and vegetable, right? So in our day-to-day life, we have to eat something good, okay? If we will not eat something good, that is not good for us. So before starting, I'm going to share you a story. I'm going to tell you one small story, which is very useful for you. But before that, let's do a small fun, or let's do it at the end after finishing the story. Okay, so I'm sharing you the screen. Then we can start.
Presents addition below 10. Okay, class, let's begin. What is 5 plus 3? We can solve the problem by count.
Eat healthy.
Just a minute, huh, class? Just a minute. My screen is visible to you all right? Yes? If yes, then show me thumbs up. Okay. If the voice is not coming, that's fine. I'm going to tell you the story. Okay, the title of the story is Eat Healthy and Stay Healthy. Okay, if you are eating healthy, then you can stay healthy.
Long time ago, a family lived in a city, and grandparents.
Long time ago, there was one family who was living in the city, right? You all are live in the city in the same way. There are grandparents,
Along with their mummy papa,
mother and father.
8 years old Himanshu and 7 years old Himani were there in their family.
Okay, so there were how many members? Grandmother, grandfather, mom and dad, and there is 2 kids, okay? Named Himanshu and Vani. Himanshu is 2 years old and Vani is 7 years old, okay?
Both the kids were very much fond of junk food.
You know what? They both are very much fond of the junk food. You know what is junk food? The junk food is pizza, burger, french fries, coke. They both like this type of foods. They are not eating any vegetables or any fruits.
They used to eat pizza and burger all the time and refused to.
They always used to eat what? Pizza, yummy, yummy pizza and yummy, yummy burger. You also like the same thing, right? Everybody likes pizza and burger, right? Yes? If yes, then show me thumbs up. If no, then show me thumbs down. You all like pizza and burger? Yes or no? No? Arav is showing me thumbs up. Be fair. Be fair enough. If you like it, then you have to show me thumbs up. If you don't, then only show me thumbs down. Yes, Laksh?
I like french fries.
You like french fries. So that is a junk food. So you can tell me that also. So you all like french fries, pizza, burger, chocolates, right? Wafers. So in the same way, this both kids are also. You like what, Shlok?
I like bhakri pizza.
Oh, you like bhakri pizza. That is very good. So it's a healthy food. Very nice. Yes. So here also both girl and boy, both the kids like only junk food. They are not eating any fruits and any vegetable.
Eat any fruit or vegetable. No, we don't like vegetables and fruits at all.
We like only pizza and burger.
But children, if you won't eat vegetables and fruits, then your eyesight will become poor.
And so you know what happened every day during lunch, breakfast, whenever they are eating just junk food. So her mother told that you have to eat a healthy food, fruits and vegetable. If you will not eat fruits and vegetable, your eyesight will be poor. You will not able to see it everything proper after some time. Okay?
Yeah.
Then yes, Kana.
Something. I sometimes drink beetroot soup, and also I eat sometimes carrots, and also I eat roti sabji.
Very good, Kanak. So you are eating that. That is very good. All are healthy food. Yes, Vedika. Yes.
also eat beetroot.
You also eat beetroot. That is very good. It is very, very good for your body. Very, very good for your body. Chalo, let's see what these kids are going to do. What is happening at the end? Let's see. Her mother is telling you have to eat healthy food. Otherwise, your eyesight will become poor.
You have to wear specs in such a small age. But they never used to listen to their mother. No, we don't like vegetables and fruits. One day, their mother...
So the mother explained a lot, but they are not ready. They are ready. Just they want to eat. They both the kids that I am not going to eat any fruits or any vegetable. I am going to eat pizza and burger every day. So one day, what happened? Her mother said with the two
explained them very lovingly. Our eyesight becomes strong by eating fruits and green vegetables. And if your eyesight becomes poor, then you have to wear specs all the time. Mother's affectionate words convinced Himani to eat fruits and vegetables.
Okay, Mom. From now, I will eat fruit and vegetable every day.
But Himanshu refused to listen to his mother. No, Mom! I like pizza burger. Therefore, I will eat that only. Now,
So now what happened? One day the mother, as you are also not listening sometime at your home of your mother or father. So sometime mama, dada, even your class teacher, even your teacher is explaining something, right? If you are not understanding, in the same way, the mother also explained both the kids. Okay, Himani and Himanshu, that if you will not eat healthy food or if you will not eat any fruits or vegetable, then your eyesight will become poor and you are not able to see anything. And at this small age, you have to wear optical specs. Okay, and that is not good for you. So the girl was very nice. Okay, the girl is very good and she understood the point of her mama. And she is ready to eat fruits and vegetable now from onwards. But Himanshu is not ready. He was like, no, I am not going to eat fruits and vegetable. Khana, pay attention. I am going to eat junk food, that is burger and pizza every day. Okay, so now the girl is ready to eat fruits and vegetable, but the boy Himanshu is not ready. Let's see what happened at the end.
mother stopped explaining Himanshu, and many days passed. Himani started eating fruit and vegetables daily, and Himanshu, like before, ate only pizza and burger. One day,
So, as mother explained, many days went, okay, many months went, and then after some days, Himani was eating the fruits and vegetable, but as usual, Himanshu was not eating. So, one day in a class, when Himanshu was there, the teacher wrote something on the board, okay, and the teacher asked question to Himanshu, but Himanshu was not able to answer that question.
Himanshu's teacher asked him in school, Himanshu, come on, solve the question on blackboard. When Himanshu looked at the blackboard, he found everything very blurred. He rubbed his eyes and looked once again. But still, he found everything blurred. Teacher angrily scolded Himanshu when he was unable to answer. Himanshu,
Are you not able to solve this easy question also?
wait, I'll call your parents to see right now. Teacher left the classroom after saying this. She made
So, what happened when teacher asked the question to Himanshu? He was not able to answer because when Himanshu was looking to the board, he was not able to find the question. It was blurry. It was not clear. So he was rubbing his eyes and he was trying to see, but he was not able to see that. So the teacher got angry that you know this much simple answer, you don't know how to answer this question. She was very shocked. And that's why she told Himanshu, now I'm going to call your parents and I'm going to ask them and I'm going to tell them Himanshu is not paying attention in the studies. So what the teacher is thinking that he don't know the answer. Why he don't know the answer? Because he was not able to pay attention. So she was thinking in that way. So the teacher called it to the parents, and when parents came, let's see what happened.
a phone call, and after some time, Himanshu's mummy papa came to school.
I had asked Himanshu a very simple question.
But
But
Himanshu
Himanshu
could
could
not
not
solve
solve
as
as
easy
easy
question
question
as
as
2
2
plus
plus
2.
2.
What, Himanshu? You don't even know answer of such an easy question?
It seems you aren't studying well these days.
No. So as your parents, as you also know that when you were not able to answer the question, your father, your mother was, you know it, why you don't answer this question? You know it very well. Your mother or your father asked, na, the mama and dada was doing it and he was doing so much mehnat on you and then you feel not able to do. So mama, Vedika, you know this answer. How could you didn't give answer? Khanak, you know everything and you didn't answer this question. This things happened with you also. So similarly with Himanshu also it happens. So the Himanshu was crying. Why he was crying? Let's see why he was crying.
I know very well. 2 plus 2 adds up to 4. So why didn't you answer your teacher's question? The reason was I wasn't able to see what's written on board. I told you before. You should eat vegetables and fruits. See, your eyesight became so weak. If like
So okay, so here what happened, as you know, while he was not eating fruits and vegetables, he was not able to see it what was written on the board. So Himanshu was crying. Why? Because he was knowing 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, but he couldn't answer because he was not able to see on the blackboard, and that is just because he was not eating fruits and vegetable and he was just eating a junk food. You know, for your body, for the growth of your body, for each and every body part, you needs to have a proper food, proper diet every day. If you will not have a proper diet, not only your eyes, but even your body becomes weak, you can't walk, you can't write, you will feel lazy, you will not able to do anything. So it should be must that you should have a very proper diet food, which nutrients, all protein, vitamins, everything should be there. Okay, so Himanshu was crying because now he was not able to see on the board.
like Himanshu, you listen to me, then your eyesight would have been so poor. Sorry, mom. From today I will eat vegetables and fruits daily. By seeing Himanshu's crying like this, his mummy understood that Himanshu has now realized his mistake. She consoled Himanshu and said, "It's fine, Himanshu. Stop crying now. But if you eat vegetables and fruits daily, then it may be possible that your eyesight may become perfect again."
So till then, I shall buy good spectacles for you.
After listening to his mummy papa, Himanshu stopped crying and his father got his spectacles made. Like this, by eating fruit and vegetables, Himanshu's eyesight remained normal. And by not eating fruit and vegetables,
So at the end, what happened? Himanshu was ready to eat fruits and vegetable every day like Himani was doing, but his father told that now don't worry, we will go to an optical shop and we will buy a good specs for you. And after eating vegetables and fruit, it might be possible that your eyesight becomes good It is not weak, and you can have a good, you can see everything written on the blackboard. So now with the Himani was eating the fruits and vegetable, now even Himanshu has also started eating that.
Vegetables. Himanshu had to wear spectacles.
So what does it mean? It means that you have to eat every day a healthy fruits, healthy vegetables, healthy foods, even a glass of water, even a good milk, like a glass of milk, morning, even to the night, even to the evening. Okay. Now, one more thing which I got to know, that even your screen timing should also be less. You are sitting in a class, that's it. Apart from that, you are not, don't take more mobile phone and be busy on the mobile phone, playing games in the mobile phone, every time watching the videos, different videos in the mobile phone. That is not good for your eyes. Already you are sitting in a class, that is good. You are learning right now, you are learning everything, but don't use mobile phone. Okay, that is not good for your eyes, especially Shlok. Shlok, I got to know that, I got to know that you are watching a lots of screen time every day. You are watching lots of mobile, right? So now, Shlok, you will not do this. I'm telling you in front of everybody. Next time I'm not going to say this thing to you again. Okay? You will not do it, right? Show me thumbs up if you will not do. I know it everything. Shlok, don't think that I don't know anything. Okay. Now there is one more video which I want to show you. And then you can see how you have to keep your body and yourself healthy. Okay. There are some tips that you can keep your body and yourself healthy. Just a minute.
मैम आपको मैंने नहीं बताया ना, आपको कैसे पता चला?
Ma'am, I know that everything. You know, I can see everything, Shlok, from your house. Don't think Mama has not told me anything. Mama ने मुझे नहीं बताया, Shlok.
What do humans need to stay healthy? Your body can do all kinds of things.
Just a minute, huh? Shlok, where are you? Okay, what do human needs to stay healthy? How we can keep ourselves healthy? Okay, let's see.
What do humans need to stay healthy?
Your
Your
body
body
can do all kinds of things. But to
But to
keep it working at its best, you need to look after it by staying healthy.
Your body is a kind of, can do each and everything. You can jump, you can walk, you can do anything with your body. But how you can do, if you will keep your body healthy, then only you can do all the things.
Being
Being healthy helps make sure you feel good
and means you're less likely to get sick. It helps you do more fun activities, and it may help you live longer too. So what can you do to be healthy? Well, you can eat a good balance of all kinds of food, including plenty of fresh vegetables and fruits. You can drink lots of water.
You
And-
have to eat good food and lots of water to keep yourself
You can
healthy.
do lots of exercise to make your body stronger and fitter. Another way of staying healthy is good hygiene, which means keep
Okay, not only to eat a healthy food or water, but you have to do some exercise, daily exercise every day to keep your body fit and fine, okay, to be disease free. And not only this, but you have to keep yourself neat and clean. If you will not take a bath every day, if you will not put your hair properly, hair oiling, not dress up properly, you are not washing your hand before eating the foods. So this all things can make you feel sick and keep your body unhealthy.
Keep it clean and washing off germs that can make you or other people ill. Some germs like to travel on your skin. Some will travel through the air. Others prefer dirty surfaces. But simple things.
These are the germs, okay? When you are going out, when you are playing, when you are touching anything, you should wash your hand. And nowadays, it is very, very, very important in this pandemic, in this COVID time, that you have to wash your hand whenever you go, wherever you go, okay? Keep your hands sanitized also. If even when you are coughing and you are sneezing, you should keep your hands or handkerchief while it. Otherwise, the germs will spread in front of any other people, right? It goes to them.
Like washing your hands before you eat and after you use the toilet will help stop germs getting inside you and make
before eating food and after going to washroom, you have to wash your hands.
you ill. Last of all, you need plenty of sleep. Because this is when your body recovers and grows. So you can do even more tomorrow.
Okay, this is also very, very important. You have to keep proper sleep. You have to take a proper sleep, okay? If you will not take a proper sleep, your body become weak and it will not be working as good as it was working before, okay? If you want to play more, if you want to do more exercise, more things, so you have to take a proper sleep. So why I'm explaining all these things to you, to stay healthy, to stay safe, because now we are going to start the topic. New topic is about how to keep yourself stay healthy and stay good, okay? Health is wealth. This is the topic we are going to learn now. So you must be knowing how to keep yourself healthy, okay? Now with the last 2 minutes, let's do one activity or a fun. You might be you are sitting, right? Everybody fold your legs and sit properly. We will play that game. You know it, how to do it, but we are doing in a standing way. But now today we will do in a sitting way. Okay? Head, this is your head, shoulder, knees and toes. Okay? While sitting, you have to do this. Okay? Ma'am is speaking very, very fast and you have to touch the thing. If you want to do in a standing way, you can do in a standing way. If you want to do in a sitting way, you can do in a sitting way. Okay? Chalo. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes, fast. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder. Slow. You are waving your legs, but you are not touching the knees and toes. Okay? Everybody, chalo, come on. Yes. Head. I'm doing slow. Head, shoulder, knees. Where is your knees? And toes. Okay, Vedika, show me your knees. See Vedika. Vedika, knees. Show me your knees. Okay, that is your knees and toes. Show me your toes. Okay, now everybody got it? Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Hands up. Hands down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Everybody caught out. Everybody has put your hands up. Again, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Everybody is wrong. Okay, again, last time. Up, down, 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 up, up. Now everybody is perfect. Last time. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Everybody is wrong. Chalo. So here we are ending our class. Next class is your craft class. For craft, you just a minute. You have to keep a paper with you. Okay? Your paper and your plain drawing book. You have a plain drawing book, right? That book is also you have to keep it with you. Okay? Next class is your craft class. Yes. Anybody wants to say something? Bye bye. Class is over. See you in the next class.